guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making a recipe for double chocolate pancakes. So they are going to be vegan chocolate pancakes filled with some extra chocolate pieces, and this has been one of my favorite recipes lately. I really love it since it's double the amount of chocolate, which you all know I really love chocolate, so this is definitely one of my favorite recipes. But yeah, this recipe is really easy to make, and yeah, I hope you guys love it as much as I do. So yeah, let's just get on to the video now. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and try out the recipe yourself. Also, if you want to see more of me, please check out my Instagram account. I'm also called Veganleonora there. And yeah, I just post lots of vegan food pics and recipes there as well. So I hope you will all have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.